We are now here at the Indonesia International Geothermal Convention and Exhibition. At this very moment, we are in the booth of Pertamina Geothermal Energy, and I am here with my friend Husni. I'd like to ask you about this contraption that you have here, but first, can you please introduce yourself and Pertamina Geothermal Energy and what it does? What does it do?
Sure. Thank you very much, Carlo. Long time no see. Yeah. My name is Mohamad Mubarok. So, my friend call me Husni. I work for PG since 2008, and my job is about productions.
Okay, so can you tell us about this product that I think you had a very big contribution in coming up with?
Okay, everyone. We call it this device is a Flow2Max. Flow2Max is the device that can measure the mass flow rate and the enthalpy in real time and online. So we use this technology comes from the orifice plates. We have designed the new specific of the orifice plates and then specific design for the pressure tappings. Like you can see here, there are 4 tappings here, and then these tappings used for measuring the enthalpy, and another 2 tappings using for measuring the mass flow rate. And then all of the data will send it to the flow computer, the blue ones, and we have injected the correlation. All of the correlations injected here. So this flow computer will calculate automatically from the sensor, and then they will send to the web server and the control room, and also we can take from this part using the memory sticks.
Okay, so you mentioned that this does automatic computation, calculation of enthalpy and flow rate. What makes this so special compared to how it's being done nowadays?
Currently, there are no technology or device that can measure mass flow rate, enthalpy in real time in one device. And that's a gap technology for a long time ago. So we have designs, and then we have developed for long times, and then we have thinking about this technology since 2009. Can you imagine that? So, and then I met Professor Sadiq, and we have patient same aim to develop the two-phase flow measurement, and then we cook together, and then we design the best design for measuring the mass flow rate and the enthalpy.
Okay, so what tangible benefits does it provide to a geothermal power operator?
The main objective for this device is very useful for the reservoir engineer. As you know, that's if we have production wells, so we have to make sure that wells have to produce, as in a long contract. For example, like us in BGE, we have long-term contracts about 30 years. So we have to make sure during the contract we have to make sure the flow of the wells is continued as long as we have in the contract. So using this device, we can mitigate, we can monitor if there is a problem. So we have like mitigates in earlier, like problems in the wellbore, problems in the surface. So this device can help us about that.
From a more practical perspective, say if I already have a well that is discharging, how long will it take for me to deploy this?
You mean the delivery time?
Yeah, the delivery, installation, and
Sure.
calibration operation.
Yeah. We can do as fast as we can, but roughly we need about 2 or 3 months from the manufacturing to the installation in the fields.
It looks like you have an established product now, and so what are the plans for its deployment?
We want to expand the market of this Flow2Max. So firstly, we will focus on our fields. So we will install about 50 to 100 Flow2Max in our geothermal production wells in all of our fields, and then we move to markets in domestically and internationally.
Well, so from the perspective of Indonesia and its goals for the growth of its geothermal power installed capacity, what is the contribution that Flow2Max can make towards working towards this goal?
Yeah, thank you. So Flow2Max can provide the solution for geothermal industry. If you want to monitor the performance of the wells during the production, so we don't need to take out the production wells before. If you want to test the well, so we can reduce the LPO, lost production opportunity. So just install this device, and then you can monitor online without stop the production.
Okay. Thank you, Husni.
Thank you very much.
It was a pleasure.
Yeah.